Hi, this demo video will walk through a location tracking service, a product from WandTracker team. This application provides a way to keep an eye on cargo vehicles and to track its location. First step is to create an account. If you don't have an account, use the sign up option to create an account. And the next thing is to log in using the username and the password. Username is the email ID and the password. After signing in, you will be able to see this dashboard preview. GPS device is the key to track the vehicles. So the next thing is to add the GPS device. To add GPS device, one should know the IMEI number of the device. It stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity, which is a 15 or 17 digit code that uniquely identifies mobile phone sets. In case of a tracker device, this number will be labeled on any one side of the device. If you are using your mobile phone, then you need to dial *#06#. Then the IMEI number will be displayed on the screen. Save it somewhere else, or else you can take a screenshot of it. Use a 12-digit number to add the device here. So let me add my device. Save the data. Again adding one more device. Save the data. Next, move on to vehicle. Click add vehicle. Enter the license number of the vehicle here. And here this GPS device drop down will list all the GPS devices added before. Choose a device. Enter the make, model, finally the color of the vehicle. Click save. Now come to dashboard. You can see the location of the device. Click here. It will display the IMEI number of the device and the license number of the vehicle. Next, move on to driver. To add driver profile, click this symbol. Enter the name of the driver, his driving license number, address, finally his phone number, contact number, then save. You can also add the image of the driver as a profile pic. Save. The driver profile has been updated. Another application of this feature is we can able to track the trip of a particular vehicle. For this we have to create a trip schedule, but before creating a trip schedule you need to set route. So this route page will say the from and to location of the trip. Click this add route, then the text box for from and to will be enabled. Click this drop down. You can see add new location. Click this. Then a map box with search box and a map icon will be there. Use either of them to select the path. So for selecting from location, let me use this search box. Then the place name, address, city, country, everything will be set. Type the zip code. Save the data. Same. Now when you click the drop down, you will be able to see this added location. So from location is to green as of now. Then the same procedure for 2. So now I use this icon to select my location. So I have chosen the Vadipatti Madurai, then write the zip code, save the data. Then here you can select the 2 location. Click save. Now to track the trip of the vehicle, trip schedule need to be created. Under trip, you can see this trip schedule, trip sheet and weight tabs. Trip sheet will be enabled only when the trip schedule is created. So add trip schedule. We have vehicle, select the vehicle, route path, then date as needed 21. Type the message here for your reference. Delivery. Save the data. The data will be listed below. And then double click this trip scheduled trip to add trip sheet. Click this add trip. Select driver. The cargo is going to be bulk cargo. Choose date. Select time. Time is okay. Now save. So the trip added successfully. Come to dashboard. You can see under the dashboard, under the map box of the dashboard, you can see the vehicle. Click this one, then scroll up. See, this is the location of the device, and I have set the path from A to B. Trip sheet will generate the trip ID here. Trip sheet will, this is the trip ID. Trip sheet will generate the trip ID, which will be used later on to update the loading and unloading time at different weighbridges in Guru. And finally, the dashboard will show the vehicle's journey. Thank you.